class, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Okay class, let's start today's lesson. But before that, we will discuss about the date and the day. What's the date today? Who will tell me? Yes? Ishrat, will you tell me what's the date today? 15th. Well done. What's the month? January, and the year is 2026. Well done. So today is 15th of January 2026. Okay, Taimur. How do we say it in Urdu? 15 जनवरी 2026. 15 जनवरी 2026. शाबाश. Yes, Ibad. What's the day today? What's the day today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. And in Urdu, we say it Jumerat. And in Arabic, we say Yawmul Khamis. Yawmul Khamis. Okay, class, let's discuss about the weather. How's the weather outside? It's cold outside and the weather is foggy. Okay, now let's start today's lesson. Okay class, let's start today's recap, and you know that the topic is time, and I will write the question. What will you do? You will read the question, you will tell me the meaning of that question, and then you will answer the question. Okay, so get ready. Yes, Nayab, read out the first question. How do we get to know about the hours? Yes, कैसे पता चलता है कि क्या मतलब कितने घंटे हो चुके हैं या कितने घंटे किस घंटे पर हम इस वक्त दिन के मौजूद हैं? जी, नायाब, will you answer that question? Yes, well done. We will know about the hours by the hand of the clock. Which hand? Short hand or the long hand? The short hand of the clock tells us about the hours. क्या करता है? जो आपका short hand होता है clock का, वो हमें बताता है कि इस वक्त क्या time हुआ है, कितने घंटे हुए हैं, ठीक है? It will not tell us about the minutes, but it will tell us about the hours. Okay? Okay, now I'm writing the question number 2. Yes, Sharmeen, read out the question number 2. What is question number 2? Which part of the clock tells us about the minutes? जी, कौन सा part जो है clock का वो हमें बताता है कि इस वक्त कितने minutes हो चुके हैं? Is it a short hand or is it a long hand? It is the long hand of the clock which tells us about the minutes. यानी कि अगर आपके पास शॉर्ट हैंड हमें आवर्स के बारे में बता रहा है तो लॉन्ग हैंड हमें किसके बारे में बता रहा है? मिनट्स के बारे में. अगर लॉन्ग हैंड की मूवमेंट आप देखेंगे तो इट इज़ नोटिसेबल बिकॉज ये मूव करता रहता है साथ साथ. बट इफ़ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द शॉर्ट हैंड, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द शॉर्ट हैंड इज़ वेरी स्लो. आपको शॉर्ट हैंड की मूवमेंट इतनी पता नहीं चलती बिकॉज इट्स मूव स्लोली. ओके, नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Yes, Aisha, read out the question number 3. In how many parts the day is being divided? कितने parts में हम दिन को divide करते हैं? Yes, in 4 parts or in 3 parts? In how many parts do we divide our day? Yes, well done. We divide our day in 2 parts. First is from 12 midnight to 12 noon, and then the other part is from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Okay? पहला हिस्सा हमारा रात को शुरू होता है, वो दोपहर तक चलता है 12 बजे तक. 12 बजे रात से लेके 12 बजे दोपहर तक, ठीक है, जब आपका सूरज निकल आता है फुल. और उसके बाद जो आपका दूसरा पार्ट है डे का वो स्टार्ट होता है 12 noon से 12 midnight तक. Okay class? Now it's the time for question number 4. Yes, Mas. Read out the question number 4. If the long hand is on 12, which term should be used to tell the time? Yes, Mas. What is the meaning of this question? कि if the long hand is on 12, यानी अगर आपका क्लॉक है और उसका जो लॉन्ग हैंड है वो 12 पर है, तो हम एक टर्म यूज़ करते हैं जिसकी हमने कल प्रैक्टिस भी की थी. विच टर्म वॉज यूज्ड पर्टिकुलर इफ द लॉन्ग हैंड विल बी ऑन 12? Well done. We use the term o'clock if the long hand is on 12. As all of us know that when the long hand is on 12, it is obvious that we are going to start a new hour. हमारा जो new एक hour, हमारा एक नया घंटा जो है वो start हो गया है. So we will use a term that is o'clock for the new hour. जब आपका new hour बिल्कुल exact आपकी लॉन्ग जो हैंड है वो 12 पर आ गया, इट मीन्स यू कैन यूज अ टर्म दैट इज o'clock with your time. For example, if the short hand is on 5 and the long hand will be on 12, so what will you say? It's 5 o'clock. What will you say? It's 5 o'clock. Okay class, that is all from recap. Now we will move to the main activity. Okay class, here is a clock in front of me. You can see here are three you can say needles. One is the short hand, one is the long hand, and one is the needle that is clicking or ticking every time. ये आपका जो है ये वो वाला हैंड है जो हर वक्त मूव करता रहता है. ऐसे ऐसे आपको हर वक्त जो है वो फील होता रहता है दैट इट्स मूविंग. यू कैन सी इट मूविंग every time. Okay, so that is your short hand, okay, and that is your long hand. Short hand tells us about the hours, and the long hand tells us about the minutes. Okay, now if the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 3, who will tell me what time is it? अब क्या टाइम आपको ऐसे फील हो रहा है कि इस वक्त टाइम हुआ है? यस, हु विल टेल मी? मुकद्दस, विल यू टेल मी व्हाट टाइम इज इट राइट नाउ? इट्स 3 o'clock. Well done. You have to use the term o'clock for it. Well done. Okay, if I'll move that short hand towards 8 and the long hand will be on 12. Okay, now tell me what time is it? Who will tell me the time? Raise your hand. Yes, Ali, what's the time? 8 o'clock. Well done. Excellent. Okay, here are two other examples. Here you can see there is a long hand and there is a short hand in front of us. You can rotate it with the help of this thumb pin. Okay class, you can see the long hand, the red one is the long hand. The long hand is on the digit 12 and the short hand is on the digit 2, or it's pointing towards the digit 2. What will be the time right now? Right now the time is, yes, well done, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Well done. Okay Sharmi, now it's your turn. You will tell me what time is it right now. Okay, the long needle is, the long hand is on 12 and the short hand is pointing towards the digit 3. Now tell me what time is it? Now it's 3 o'clock. Well done. So all of you are now have the real information, or you can easily tell us about the time. You can tell your parents about the time, or your siblings, or anyone. Okay, so now we'll move to the book and we'll see which page today we will do. Okay, class, open your math countdown and you will open the page number 133. Today we will complete the page number 133. First of all, what will you do? You will write the date. Today is 15th of January 2026. You will write the classwork. And today the day is Thursday, so you will write Thursday. Okay, class, now come down telling the time earlier and later. Okay, they have given us a specific time, and what they are asking from us that you have to tell us what will be the time if we are talking about early, and what will be the time if we are talking about late. Early, as we have done this word in English as well, so early is something that comes before and late is something that comes after the time. Okay, so class, here you can see there is a clock, and you will tell me what will be the early time of 5 o'clock. अगर आपका 5 o'clock का एक टाइम उन्होंने बताया, तो what will be the early 1 hour from 5 o'clock? Yes, who will tell me? Yes, Ahmad. क्या आएगा? 4 o'clock. Well done. If you are talking about early, we will write 4 o'clock. So 4 will be earlier than 5. Okay. And if I'll talk about the late, then what will be the time? 6. 4 will be early and 6 will be late. Okay. The next example, who will solve the next example? Yes, Ariba, it's your turn. Now it's 1 o'clock. Okay, it is obvious that the shorthand is telling us about the hours and the longhand is telling us about the minutes. We are going to start a new hour. The new hour is telling us it's 1 o'clock. So if we talk about 1 hour early, what will be the time? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Well done. And if I'll talk about the time that is late, 1 hour late, then it will be 2 o'clock. Okay, because 2 is coming after 1. Okay, now here is the C part. It telling us about that right now it's 10 o'clock. Now we have to tell the time 1 hour earlier. So 1 hour earlier will be 9 o'clock. Well done. 9 o'clock. It's very easy to predict because now we can easily tell about the time. Okay, class. Now here is the D part. Shorthand is on 7, longhand is on 12. Now predict the time. Right now it is telling us that 7 o'clock, but we have to predict the earlier time. So 1 hour early will be 6 o'clock. Well done. 6 o'clock. Okay, E part. Yes, Umar. E part. What time is it right now? Right now, this clock is telling us 9 o'clock. And what will be the 1 hour early? 1 hour early will be 8 o'clock. Okay, well done. 8 o'clock. Okay, this is the F part, and you can see the F part. In the F part, the clock is telling us about it's 4 o'clock. Now, if we'll talk about 1 hour early, then who will tell me? Yes, Ibad. What's the time? If I will talk about 1 hour early, it will be 3. Well done. 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock will be 1 hour earlier than 4. Okay, class, this part has been done by me, that I have told you how to predict the time 1 hour earlier, 1 hour late. This part, now write the time that is 1 hour later than the time shown. They have shown us some times, and what will you do? You will write down the time 1 hour later. Right now it's 6 o'clock. You will tell or you will write the time 1 hour later. 1 hour later mean आपने 1 घंटे बाद का टाइम लिखना है. For example, I will solve a question for you, the A part. For example, here the time is 6 o'clock, and if you will talk about 1 hour later, the time will be 7 o'clock, because you have to move in this side. ठीक है, आपने 1 घंटा लेट बताना है ना, तो लेट में आपका क्या होगा? आपका 7 o'clock will be the time. So you will write 7 o'clock. Rest of the questions will be done by you guys on your books. Part B, Part C, Part D, Part E and Part F will be done by you guys on the page number 133. आपने 1 घंटा बाद का टाइम जो आपको यहाँ पे शोन है क्लॉक में, उसे बाद का टाइम लिखना है. That is all from today's lesson. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow. But before that, note down your homework. Okay, class, note down your homework. Complete question number 4 of page number 133 on your books. First of all, you will mention the date, you will mention the day, and make sure your writing must be neat and clean, so it will be easy for me to check the work. You will complete the rest of the questions of question number 4 on your books. That is all from today's lesson. We will meet inshallah tomorrow. Till then, Allah Hafiz.